Grandees. This word means noble or aristocratic people who have high rank or influence in a society. For example, the grandees of the Ottoman Empire enjoyed many privileges and honors under the Sultan's rule. She was invited to a lavish party hosted by the grandees of Hollywood. Magi. This word means wise men or priests who have special knowledge of astrology, magic, or religion. It is often used to refer to the biblical figures who visited Jesus after his birth, but it can also apply to other traditions. For example, the Magi of ancient Persia were experts in astronomy and astrology, and they advised the kings on important matters. He claimed to be a Magi who could perform miracles and heal the sick. Satrap. This word means a governor or ruler of a province or region in an ancient empire, especially the Persian Empire. It is often used to describe a powerful or tyrannical person who has control over a large area or group of people. For example, the satrap of Egypt rebelled against the Persian king and declared his independence. He was a cruel satrap who oppressed his subjects and exploited their resources. Solemnity. This word means a formal or dignified ceremony or occasion that is marked by seriousness or gravity. It is often used to refer to religious or state events, but it can also apply to other situations. For example, the solemnity of the funeral was interrupted by a loud noise outside. She spoke with solemnity about the challenges facing the nation. Invaluable. This word means extremely valuable or useful. It is often used to describe something that cannot be measured by money or that is very important for a certain purpose. For example, his advice was invaluable for my career development. She has an invaluable collection of rare books and manuscripts. Acquired. This word means obtained or gained something, especially through effort, skill, or experience. It is often used to describe something that is not innate or natural, but that is learned or developed over time. For example, he acquired a reputation as a brilliant lawyer. She acquired a taste for spicy food after living in India for a year. Audible. This word means able to be heard or loud enough to be heard. It is often used to describe sounds or voices that are clear or distinct, or that can be perceived by the ear. For example, the music was barely audible over the noise of the crowd. He whispered something in an audible voice. Entitle. This word means give someone the right or claim to something, especially a benefit, privilege, or honor. It is often used to describe something that is deserved or earned by someone's actions, qualities, or status. For example, his heroic deeds entitled him to a Medal of Honor. She felt entitled to a promotion after working hard for the company. Compliment. This word means a polite expression of praise or admiration for someone or something. It is often used to show appreciation, respect, or affection for someone's appearance, abilities, or achievements. For example, he paid her a compliment on her dress. She received many compliments for her excellent performance.
All 9 words in a story.
The generous. The time now arrived for celebrating a grand festival, which returned every 5 years. It was a custom in Babylon solemnly to declare at the end of every 5 years which of the citizens had performed the most generous action. The grandees and the magi were the judges. The first satrap, who was charged with the government of the city, published the most noble actions that had passed under his administration. The competition was decided by votes, and the king pronounced the sentence. People came to this solemnity from the extremities of the earth. The conqueror received from the monarch's hand a golden cup adorned with precious stones, His Majesty at the same time making him this compliment. Receive this reward of thy generosity, and may the gods grant me many subjects like to thee. This memorable day being come, the king appeared on his throne, surrounded by the grandees, the magi, and the deputies of all nations that came to these games, where glory was acquired not by the swiftness of horses, nor by strength of body, but by virtue. The first satrap recited, with an audible voice, such actions as might entitle the authors of them to this invaluable prize.